Truth is something beautiful that we always ask for, but fail to understand what are the things that we should give in order for us to receive truth. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme and pag-uusapan natin yung value ng truth. Yung effect ng truth when it comes to our relationship. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Babe, look. A mustache.
Babe, you're not 10 years old. Can you stop? That is so cringy. This food is good, huh, babe?
It's alright.
How was your day?
Good.
Babe, look, it's the root of a tree. Babe, a white rock. Look. Babe, do you not care?
Yeah, I just said it was
Look.
nice.
Babe, look, this one's perfect.
Show.
Babe, where are you going? Babe, are you okay?
And ito yung common understanding or common mindset pagdating sa relasyon. Hindi natin napapansin kung ano ba talaga yung katotohanan. And most of us are so self-absorbed in our own perspective, in our own point of view, that when someone tries to be authentic with themselves, we try to punish the truth. And by punishing the truth, what do you expect? Katulad ng pag pinalo mo yung isang bata doon sa ginagawa niya, what do you expect? Of course, they will stop being true to you. They will stop showing you the side ng pagiging totoo nila. And guess what? The moment that they found someone who is willing to accept who they really are, ano sa tingin niyo yung mangyayari? Of course, mapapalapit yung loob nila because yung katotohanan ng kung sino sila, kaya palang tanggapin ng ibang tao and it feels very good inside. Pagtanggap ng tao kung sino ka. And now, a lot of Gen Zs are going to point fingers to other things. Like, kesyo kulang sa date, kesyo kulang sa sex, kesyo kulang sa kung anik-anik. But they will not admit that they became a part ng kung bakit hindi na kayang magpakatotoo ng isa't isa sa bawat isa. Yes, truth is not always beautiful. Most of the time, it has its own monstrosity and ugliness. But still, truth. And once we deny what is true, we are not going to be able to get it anymore. And that's the price of the truth. That's what you exchange for it. Acceptance. Acceptance that the world is not going to be perfect. You and your partner are going to be a person that you will not always like, you will not always love. But I guess hindi naman yun yung essence ng pagmamahal. It's always going to be a choice to stay with the person regardless ano yung pagdaanan nyo. With a healthy way of solving things and compromising with each other. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.